Though mocked and beaten, bruised and torn, He carried love that's saving morn. Love held Him there upon the tree. Love bore the pain for you and me. Through every stripe, through every cry, it was His love that chose to die. The nails were driven through His hands as darkness fell across the land. Yet mercy flowed from wounded side as hope for all was crucified.